So friends, if you observe here I have summarized it into these particular screenshots. Suppose 6,000 per month for the next 30 years. Here two scenarios I have given. As I have increased my SIP, here is an increase of 14% every year. That means first month 6,000, second month first year 6,000, second year 6,840, third year 7,700. Like this, I am increasing 14% per year. Actually, I have not increased per year. I started, I have increased in the 5th year. So it's almost one and the same. So if you see this particular thing, I can reach 8 crore in this 30 years. So here friends, if one important point I want you to observe from this strategy. In 30 years, first half, the 15 years is shown in the slide. With this investment, in the first half, you are accumulating 63,74,461 only out of 8 crore corpus. Out of 8 crore corpus, friends, it's less than 10% of the corpus.
This is very important point, sir.
In the first half of the entire tenure, in the 15 years of the entire tenure, the amount you are accumulating is less than 10% of the corpus. But if you see the next 15 years, the remaining corpus of 7 crore 40 lakhs is added to this, and 8 crores is the value, friends. So this is the power of compounding, friends. Here, see, when I am investing here, I am not looking into how much I am investing or how much SIP I am investing. I am just looking into this time. I am buying the time for them. I am buying 15 years time for them. If I don't buy this time for them, the next 15 years will be their first 15 years. It will not be the second 15 years. I don't want that burden on them. I want to buy the time. People say we cannot buy time. I am saying we can buy time. This is what I am doing, friends. So the next 15 years will be becoming very easy for them to accumulate a huge corpus of 8 crore. And one more example I am showing you. Say, let's assume that we are not increasing the SIP. We are just doing 10,000 for entire 30 years. 10,000 for entire 30 years, we are doing it. Example I am telling you. Here, the corpus accumulated will be 3 crore because today you are starting with 10,000 and entire 30 years you are paying the same 10,000. So the corpus accumulating is 3 crore. In this example also, observe it, friends. In the first 15 years, first half of the entire tenure, the corpus is just 47,59,000, not even 50 lakhs. So it's around say 12% or 13% of the entire corpus. But the next 15 years, it became 3 crore 8 lakhs. This is the power of buying time, friends. This is the power of buying time. You buy time, you show them, definitely they will continue, and 10,000 is a very small amount when they start earning and contributing for this particular investment. We need to teach them the power of compounding. We need to teach them the power of time, friends. And just studying in the books or it doesn't get digested for them. We should show them, we should clearly show the investments on their name. So that is what this power of compounding, friends. So this is what I want to tell you, friends. Practice what you preach. I am preaching what I am practicing. But practice what you teach applies to you, friends. Because if you practice, if you invest, if you experience it, then share this experience with your child. Teach them the value of time. Teach them the value of compounding. Then definitely they will be easily achieving their FIRE, because as we discussed in the first slide, this generation is planning for retirement, but next generation will not plan for retirement. They will only plan for FIRE, financial independence, retire early. And the base we are creating with that particular buying of time, friends.